In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected store exception Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Just go ahead, open up the search menu, and then type in PowerPlan as you can see right now. Then click on Open, which is the first option. After that, this window will open up for you. Just click on Power Options at the top. And then click on Choose the Power button. Then after that, just go ahead, turn off this option as you can see, then click on Save Changes. And now let's go to the second method, which is the Windows PowerShell. So just go ahead, type in Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator. And then after that, the Windows PowerShell will open up for you. Just go ahead, paste this command, which will be available in the YouTube description. After that, just hit Enter, and you should be all good to go. Just let it be at the background. And then after that, just go ahead, open up the command prompt, which is CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator again. And now the command prompt window will open up for you. Just go ahead, type in SFC//scan now, and scan now must be written in one word, then hit Enter. And then after that, just let it scan by itself. And then after the scan checks place, just go ahead, exit out of the command prompt window, as you can see right now. And then after that, just go ahead, open the command prompt, just type in CMD again. Then click on Run as Administrator again. And then after that, just go ahead, type in this command, which is CHKDSK /C:, and then /R, and then hit Enter. And when this pops up for you, which is basically saying to restart your computer for changes to take place, just type in the letter Y. As you can see, after that, just hit Enter and just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video as always. Thank you for watching.